I'm going to show you how to enter an eyeglass order into Acuity Logic. First, you're going to search for your patient. And once you find your patient, you're going to go right down here to this eyeglass icon and click on this. And this will take you directly to the Orders tab. From here, you're going to click this New Eyeglass Order button. If it's a complete pair, you're going to keep it as a complete pair. If you needed to change it to lenses only, frame onlys, or extra onlys, you can change it here, but it'll always default to a complete pair. Select the lab that you're going to use. And the ship to would be if you want to ship it to this office, another office, or you want to mail it to the patient. When you're completed there, you're going to click Next. And these are going to be the components of the lens. So you're going to start off first by what type of lens is it? Single vision, bifocal, trifocal, progressive, so on and so forth. So let's just say we're going to choose a progressive lens. Here's our materials this progressive lens comes into. So these are the different types of materials. So let's choose a Trivex material. Then this progressive comes in various styles. The VSP styles are only used if you're using a VSP insurance, but for the sake of this, we are not. So let's say we're going to choose an Acuity HD progressive. Here's the different colors that lens comes in. So you're going to choose an adaptive lens, a polarized lens, a clear lens. So let's just say we're going to do an adaptive gray. There's no coatings built on this lens here, but we can choose the coatings on the next screens further on down. This lens here, do we need to make it for both eyes, the right lens or the left lens? We're going to be doing both eyes for this order, so we're going to click on both. Once you click on both, you can see your purple lettering here. This is going to tell you the type of lens and the style and everything based upon what you had. It shows up here. Then you're not going to freeform type your prescription here. You're going to choose it from your prescriptions from your exams. So let's choose this one here. So I click on this blue hyperlink, and that prescription says it's expired, but we're going to go ahead and use it. It automatically comes down to the bottom here, and it populates over here. You're going to take your measurements, and you're going to put your measurements in, your seg heights, and your PDs. Any special base curves. Same thing with the left lens. If everything looks good there, you're going to click Next. Anytime you want to cancel the order, you can always cancel the order here. Or if you need to go back and change something, you can always hit the back button. But we're going to click on Next. This right here is going to give you your frame information. So you type in your UPC, but I don't have a UPC in front of me, so I'm just going to choose a frame collection. I choose this collection, and let's say this model, and I'm going to do a search, and I'm going to choose this frame right here. Now I'm going to choose this one here. This is active. Once I chose that, it's automatically going to populate down here. Now there's a couple different things. Are you going to enclose it? Or are you a static board that you're going to have the DC provided? Let's just say we're going to enclose it. We're going to hit Store Enclosed. And this is telling me right here I have 0 on hand because I'm right now currently in the test office, which does not have inventory. When you are live, this will have your inventory in here, and it'll have exactly what you have on hand. It'll also tell you if that frame is recalled or if it's active or if it's discontinued. Once again, at any time, if you needed to go back to the lenses, you can hit the back button, or you can go Next to take us to the extras, or you can always cancel the order. We're going to click on Next. This is where your extras come in play. So if you needed a tint, like a gradient or a solid tint, or if you needed to add a roll and polish. So let's say we're going to add a roll and polish here. And here is your treatments and your coatings. So let's just do a premium AR on here. And the miscellaneous is you've got your oversized, your edge downs, anything if you charge for custom RXs, here's where your side shields area is. If you charge for drill mounts or grooves, so on and so forth, they're all located in the miscellaneous. Let's add a warranty to this order. And I'm going to hit next. Okay, here is your summary page. So this gives you a whole summary. So this is the frame I've chosen. I've enclosed it. This is the lenses that I've ordered for the patient. I'm adding a premium AR on it with an edge polish and a warranty. If I need to make any kind of notes to the lab, I can freeform type notes in here. And this would be the dispensing note to the dispensers. If everything looks good here, you can complete the order to pricing. Once you have complete order to pricing, this will give you all of your items. Now, if you notice here, the eyeglass lens, it's in one bundle price. If you click on this blue hyperlink, it'll give you those components that we built and the prices of each one of those components. So the price is $299, but each one of those components has a price. And then here's your edge polishing, miscellaneous extra. The edge polishing here did not have a price on it at this time, so we're going to add a price in here. Yours will have your price in it for you. And then miscellaneous extras was the warranty. And the warranty will have a price in it for you. Now here is the full retail price. If you had any insurance, you would apply the insurance, but I don't have any insurance on this patient. I do have to put a promise date though. And then I'm going to hit save. Once I hit save, this order is going to be in a price status. So to complete the order, for it to go to the lab, you have to hit generate invoice and collect the money. So the total is $627.53. We're going to add a payment there. They're going to pay by check. We're going to hit OK. We're going to hit save. And this is where everything goes to processing. Is everything ready to process? Yes. And the receipt will pop up for the patient with all the details on it that you can give them the receipt. And then the status is ready. And that is how you place an eyeglass order in Acuity Logic.